Interesting GK Quiz Part 2. Rules: 10 questions, 4 options, 5 seconds.
Here is your first question. What is the capital of India? A. Mumbai, B. New Delhi, C. Calcutta, D. Chennai. Here is your correct answer. B. New Delhi. Here is your second question. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Venus, B. Mars, C. Jupiter, D. Saturn. Here is your correct answer. B. Mars. Here is your third question. Who invented the telephone? A. Thomas Edison, B. Alexander Graham Bell, C. Newton, D. Einstein. Here is your correct answer. B. Alexander Graham Bell. Here is your fourth question. Which is the largest ocean in the world? A. Indian Ocean, B. Atlantic Ocean, C. Pacific Ocean, D. Arctic Ocean. Here is your correct answer. C. Pacific Ocean. Here is your fifth question. How many continents are there in the world? A. 5, B. 6, C. 7, D. 8. Here is your correct answer. C. 7. Here is your sixth question. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? A. Horse, B. Camel, C. Elephant, D. Donkey. Here is your correct answer. B. Camel. Here is your seventh question. What gas do plants use to make food? A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Hydrogen. Here is your correct answer. C. Carbon dioxide. Here is your eighth question. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Sardar Patel, D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Here is your correct answer. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Here is your ninth question. Which instrument is used to measure time? A. Thermometer, B. Barometer, C. Clock, D. Scale. Here is your correct answer. C. Clock. Here is your 10th question. Which is the smallest prime number? A. 0, B. 1, C. 2, D. 3. Here is your correct answer. C. 2.
Thank you.